A legacy on the seas. The evolution of Turkey's naval power. Turkey's relationship with the sea is centuries old, deeply intertwined with the rise and fall of empires. From the Ottoman Empire's dominance in the Mediterranean to the birth of modern Turkey, naval power has always been crucial. In the early 20th century, as Turkey rose from the ruins of an empire, its naval capabilities evolved to meet new challenges. After World War II, the Turkish Navy focused on securing its extensive coastline, spanning both the Aegean and Black Seas. This defensive outlook took shape during the Cold War, where Turkey stood as a bulwark against Soviet naval ambitions in the region. The Turkish naval forces, or Türk Deniz Kuvvetleri, have undergone a remarkable transformation in recent decades. Driven by a desire to project power and safeguard its interests, Turkey has invested heavily in modernizing its fleet and expanding its capabilities. This modernization drive is fueled by Turkey's vision of itself as a regional maritime power, capable of protecting its interests at home and abroad. Setting sail towards the future, advancements and investments in the Turkish Navy. Turkey's commitment to modernizing its navy is evident in its ambitious shipbuilding program and acquisition of advanced technology. This modernization drive encompasses a wide range of vessels, from stealth frigates to submarines, reflecting a desire to create a balanced and capable fleet. A cornerstone of Turkey's naval modernization is the Milgem project, an ambitious program to design and build new-generation warships domestically. The Milgem project represents a significant step for Turkey's domestic shipbuilding industry, reducing reliance on foreign suppliers and fostering technological self-reliance. Beyond shipbuilding, Turkey is investing heavily in enhancing its naval aviation capabilities. The acquisition of new maritime patrol aircraft and helicopters, coupled with the development of unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, is bolstering Turkey's ability to monitor its waters and project power throughout the region. These investments are driven by the growing importance of aerial surveillance and strike capabilities in modern naval warfare. A sea of power. Turkey's navy compared to regional counterparts. The Mediterranean Sea is a crowded stage, home to numerous navies with varying capabilities and ambitions. Turkey's navy, while formidable, faces competition from both traditional rivals and emerging players. A strategic anchor. Turkey's maritime importance and geopolitical role. Turkey's geographical location grants it immense strategic significance. Situated at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, Turkey controls access to the Black Sea through the Turkish Straits, a vital maritime choke point. This geographical reality makes Turkey a pivotal player in regional security and international trade. Furthermore, Turkey's maritime interests extend beyond its immediate shores. Ankara''s involvement in the Eastern Mediterranean energy game, with its potential for vast offshore gas reserves, has further highlighted the strategic importance of naval power. Turkey's assertive stance in these disputes, while facing opposition from regional rivals and international actors, demonstrates its determination to protect its interests. This complex geopolitical landscape necessitates a powerful and adaptable navy, capable of safeguarding Turkey's interests on multiple fronts. As the country navigates a multipolar world, its naval power will undoubtedly play an even more crucial role in shaping its destiny and influencing the balance of power in the region.